Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is a new course on MATLAB Simulink. So what MATLAB Simulink is and how it is used will be taught in uh, this channel in this course. So let me start with the brief idea that what we will be covering in this course. And this is very useful course for all the students who are into research or in their engineering undergraduate course. So the MATLAB Simulink course content goes like this. So first we will be overviewing the MATLAB Simulink environment, how it is work and where the files are saved, how to set the directories and everything with a very basic mindset. So in overview of MATLAB Simulink environment, we will be covering the basic parts. Second is the block set of Simulink with their uses. How the Simulink is using the its block set to make some project happen or any mathematical project or any uh, environment, any circuit which you want to simulate, how it is done using block sets. Third is method. We'll be using an example. An example mostly will be covering mainly electrical domain. So mathematical modeling example and data logging. How data is logged and how it is being used. Fourth is block set of SimEscape with uses. How SimEscape is especially for it is different from a Simulink, uh, and we will be learning that how we'll be using SimEscape. And in SimEscape, we will be covering a project, mostly a drive project, any drive project, either induction based or synchronous based or any BLDC motor based. And the last part is very important. Mostly when someone uses MATLAB, the main problem is not building model, but it's troubleshooting and how to analyze the result, how to detect the error shown by the MATLAB. So I've done this course, I've made this course in such a way that I will not be making a video more than 5 minutes, so that a person should be getting a gist of, and I'll making a short videos, and the number of videos will be more obviously, but to get the point to point detail, I'll be making one video on one important point. So let's start. So this is a basic MATLAB. When you install a MATLAB and you open a MATLAB, so this is the first platform you face. So I'm using this MATLAB 2020A, and this is mm, there are more updated version also. 2021A is also there, but I'm using 2020A. So after 2018 or 19, all the MATLAB newer version are similar. So the 2020A is this is the main window, and this is a command window where you if you are coding it, then you will be using the command window or the script. And so we can use a new script like this, and here we can use uh, anything which we want to run, or like it will be a message has been prompt where so this is a editor. So you are making a program and then running it into a this command window. And command window, you can directly run your programs, like I will be running here for you. I is equal to, like I am assigning I variable a 32 value, and it is saying this. So in this course we are not into programming. We'll be using programming, but uh, inside Simulink block sets, not as a pure programming language. So the first thing here to learn is the first thing you have to learn is to set the directory. So I am using D drive, as you can see here, D drive. Then I am using Wave City project, or any project you can say. You can set your directory. Directory means the which folder you will be saving your files, or you will be creating your files. The MATLAB will be extracting that file from that folder only. You have to set it here. Like I am using by default V2. I have done it. So like I have made this induction machine model and dual stator models. So here we can do all this thing. Okay, we don't want to save this. Now we have to go to Simulink environment, and here you can see the Simulink environment. This Simulink environment, when I click it here, it prompt a window which says what kind of model you want to make. So we will be using a blank model, so we will be creating a model, and here we go with the model. Now this is a plain uh, platform. So right now here is the library for browsing. So I can open this library, and I am minimizing it, and you can this is an untitled Simulink uh, which I have modeled. So I'll be saving it, and I'll be saving it. You can see it in the same directory, Wave City, inside V2, and volume, it's a D drive, Wave City project, V2, and then I'll be, or let me go with the new, here I'll be testing a folder, and then inside testing folder I'll be first project, first project. And the reason why I am using this underscore, you have you must have noticed, someone must have noticed that why I am using this underscore. This underscore makes things uh, feasible for MATLAB. Means MATLAB do not c- consider space. So uh, every time you rename or name a MATLAB project, you have to avoid spaces. So I cannot use space. So I'm saving it. And now that I have changed the directory, I have to change it here also. In D, I am to go to testing. Testing, here I have a first project. So I have changed the directory. So today we have seen a MATLAB environment, how it is done, and how we have to set the directory of MATLAB. So thank you for this video, and do subscribe and like the channel.